How do you make your nutrition coaching business stand out? Now, before we jump into that topic, do me a favor, hit that like button below, leave me a comment, let me know why you're an amazing coach. And of course, hit that subscribe button so we can keep giving you the information you need to kill it with your clients, to grow that business, and of course, to choose impact over everything. And speaking of impact, I've taken all of the resources, all the knowledge that I have, and I've put it into a 5-day training that is yours completely for free. Yes, the 5-day nutrition coaching blueprint is going to be yours completely for free. All you gotta do, stick around to the end of this video. I'm gonna teach you how to get that. And how's that for choosing impact over everything? Now, coaches, how do we get your business to stand out? How do we get you ultimately to really stand out in a crowded space, one that is becoming more crowded every single day? Well, and I'm kind of the problem there. I'm the root of that, so I apologize on the front end. You know, here at the Nutritional Coaching Institute, we have certified 3,000 plus coaches in the last 3 years, and we're not stopping. We are on a billion-person mission. We're gonna certify 1 million coaches. And so when there's 1 million online nutrition coaches, how are you going to be the one that gets the clients? How are you gonna be the one that ultimately creates the success for clients? And yes, how are you gonna make some money in this very lucrative field? Well, it comes down to one simple principle, and that principle is your business triangle of awareness. And inside the triangle, there's always 3 key points. That first key is you. Who are you? What is your story? What is your attractive character? No business is led without an attractive character. Nobody's buying your principles. Nobody's buying your macros or your training or any of those things. They're buying you. And if you're not an attractive character, if you're not a leader, if you're not somebody that they can know, like, and trust, well, you have no chance. I don't care how good your knowledge is. I don't care how great your programs are. I don't care how strong your nutritional education is. If you suck, well, your clients are never coming. They're never gonna be beaten down the door. They're never going to want to learn or work with you. The first thing is, what is your attractive character? And inside of that, it's not just about being a better person. Yes, you need to be an amazing person. But how do you tell your story? What got you here? One of the first things I ask any of our prospective clients is, why are you in this industry? What made you choose health and fitness as your vehicle to creating success for individuals? Why did you choose health and fitness to ultimately help people change their lives? Because I promise you, if you're watching this video right now and you're looking to grow your practice or your job or your business, you have a story. In fact, you have a lot more than one story. You have a lot of stories. And if you can look at the pain points of your prospective clients and you can share a story that connects with those pains, all of a sudden you are going to show up as the person that they choose. It's not your unique diet. It's not your unique training programs. It's you. You are the attractive character. You are the leader. Now, inside of that, you do have to have a unique opportunity. So once you stand out above the noise, once you have people acknowledging and engaging with you, you need to move them to a deeper conversation. And the way that you move them to a deeper conversation is you have something unique to share with them. Remember, people are expecting diets. People are expecting workouts. They're expecting macros. They're expecting keto, fasting, vegan, carnivore, whatever. That's their expectation. And when you hit them with something completely different, when you shift the conversation to very specific principles or very specific frameworks, something they've never heard of before, now they're listening. They're paying more attention. And when you have their attention, you also have the ability to sell them into your business. So what is a unique opportunity in this space? Well, one of my clients, Tyler Newton, has one of the best unique opportunities I've ever heard. He has what's called 90 Days to Fitness Independence, powered by the APV method. And if we heard the saying 90 Days to Fitness Independence, we would probably think, well, it's a 90-day program. It's built on macros. It's built on workouts. You gotta build compliance to that, and good luck. You just gotta work your butt off. And in fact, he's gonna tell you, well, yeah, of course, diet and training are part of it, but every program has diet and training. The real reason you haven't found success is what lives inside of this program. 3 very specific things. First is your vision. You don't understand what vision is in creating success. And until you've established your vision, you don't know the principles by which you need to live. And unless you have principles, you can't create autonomy. You see, building success isn't about me. It's about you. It's about doing it your way. And it's about doing it your way today and tomorrow and 10 years from now. So without vision, without principles, and without autonomy, you're never going to build the lifelong success you desire. So when clients come to Tyler, the conversation of macros, the conversation of training has completely gone away. Instead, the conversation shifts to the APV method. And that yes that he's looking for becomes far easier to obtain. The conversation is no longer training and diet. The conversation is 100% fitness independence, powered by the APV method. So once you've established your attractive character, once you have a unique opportunity and a framework, the final component of your business triangle awareness is building your tribe. Russell Brunson, one of the best marketers in the world, would tell you this is called a future-based cause. But what is your community? Inside of the Nutritional Coaching Institute, We invite you to become part of our army of impact. We want you to join our billion-person mission. We want you to be a successful coach. That's why we're building these videos. We want to give you the resources that you need to go out to change the lives of thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of people. We want that impact. We want you to be part of our army of impact. But when you look at your business, you ask yourself, what are my clients becoming part of? What new identity are they able to undertake? What community are they joining? What tribe are they joining? And if you don't have that, well, you're gonna have a hard time being the person that stands out in such a crowded field. So guys, the business triangle of awareness, your attractive character, your unique opportunity, your tribe, and your future-based cause. This is actually the first component of what we share inside of the 5-day nutrition coaching blueprint. 5 days, everything that I've learned in 17 years, all compressed so that you can have one result. And that's crushing it. That's building the business you've always desired. It's choosing impact over everything. And right now, that 5-day blueprint, it's yours completely for free. Underneath this video, there's a link. Go ahead, click that link, get yourself set up. And while you're at it, do me a favor. Leave me a like on this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what's the impact you're gonna have in this space. And most importantly, make sure you get yourself subscribed. Make sure you're in a position where you are ready to receive everything we're trying to give to you. All the resources that you need to go out to crush it. And yes, to create impact over everything.